Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal January, day number 7. So let's grab our journals and let's dive into today's creative session. For today's spread, which has the prompt touch, I did had to think quite a while first to come up with something that I thought would fit the vibes, but then I found one material in my stack of journaling things, which is this kind of crispy plastic paper. I don't come up with the right foil. This kind of hard foil to wrap some gifts or flowers into. It makes a crackling sound if you touch it, so I thought it would be perfect for today's spread. But first, as it is transparent, I wanted to make a kind of cute collage, a bit vintage inspired for the background. Today's spread is a bit relaxed and laid back in a way. I just did go with the flow and see where the collage process of all the different vintage inspired papers I have collected over the years would take me, and just a little wind down. I feel like sometimes you just have to allow yourself to relax while creating. I feel like that's always a better place for creation if you come from a place of calm than stressing yourself out over the outcome in a way. I absolutely know it's a difficult thing to do, and often we are so focused on the outcome, and I do that as well a bunch. But I feel like sometimes it helps, and especially in my junk journal spreads, it really gives me the opportunity to focus more on that kind of creation process. And I really enjoy that, and did it here with today's spread. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really, really happy, and I would love to hear your creative ideas in the comments down below. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many, many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, happy creating!